What's up, everybody? Good morning. Ignore my stupid glasses. It's the only thing I had. We are on our way to a couple calls this morning. We are going to a jewelry store to check out a drain leak for an AC. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and replace a TXV on a carrier split system, indoor TXV. Diagnose it on Friday, and part just came in, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So y'all stay tuned for the video. Got there, they just had a cassette type mini split that was replaced about 2 weeks ago, and someone forgot to glue the 90 from the drain, so pretty much had to go up there, you know, pulled it out, re-glued it, stuck it on there, and we're good to go. Couldn't record in there because it's a jewelry store, there's people working there, didn't want to, you know, bother them, but I'll put some pictures up there so y'all can see, and we're gonna go to our next call to a TXV replacement, so we'll see you there. All right. There we go. Got the fan blowing. Get my knee pad out. Alright, let's see. Gonna change this TXV, and I left it downstairs. Okay, good. Open, and then here's the TXV we're gonna be replacing right there. Oh. I'll cut it here. Okay, got nitrogen going. All right. Okay. Got the nitrogen going. Face this way. Alright, we are pressure testing now. We're gonna fill it up and see if we have any bubbles or anything like that. We got everything brazed with nitrogen. And now we're pressure testing, and we're gonna go leak check that fitting on the TXV to make sure nothing's leaking. We're pretty much all out of nitrogen, as you can see there. We're cracked open. We're gonna let it all in there. And then we'll go up there and check. Alright. Oh! Alright. I'll spray everything down. Check TXV. No leaks. Nothing's bubbling up, which is good. Yep. Let's check. That's good. Let me check this out right here. That's good. Yep, I think we're good. Sweet. Cool, no leaks. Right there. Get that cool down. Awesome. Go downstairs. Start pulling a vacuum, and we should be good. All right, let's get this party started. Take these off. Take this one off. Our core removal tool right here. We're gonna take this side out. Go. Boom. And then we need our this one. Put it in there. Right there. Here's a screwdriver that we needed. Gonna hook this up over here. Put it over here. Hook this over just a bit. And then we're gonna take this. There we go. Take through this. Go here. Start the pump. I'm gonna grab our micron gauge. Okay. And that's it. Okay. Put this here for now. Oh, need to open it. Alright, let's go in. Everything open. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. All our putty. And then we're gonna fix this up. Try to get as much as we can out. Right there. Right there. Make sure that doesn't fall in our drain. Pick that up. Okay. Now we gotta set our sensing bulb. We gotta put it up here. Alright. Got the sensing bulb taped up and secured. I'm gonna secure the TXV and then these tubing, and then I'll be good to go. Alright, got everything buttoned up. Now we just gotta wait on the vacuum and charge it, and we should be good to go. Alright y'all, so we just got the unit started. We put 6.5 pounds of refrigerant as a starting weight, and now we're just gonna charge to subcooling, and these are our pressures so far. We just started it maybe 5 minutes ago, so we'll let it run for another 10-15 minutes, and then as you can see, it's already coming down temperature wise, so far it's looking good. When I came on Friday, it was actually pulling down into a negative in cooling mode. Heating mode, it was just fine, but in cooling mode, it was pulling itself into a vacuum. So obviously I went up to the indoor unit and found that the TXV was freezing up. I'll put some pictures up there. And so we got the TXV ordered. We came back Monday and we got it on. So far so good. All right y'all, so we just got done doing that TXV replacement. Didn't get a, I'll post a picture of the pressures that were on there. And then yeah, everything came out pretty good. Everything got cleaned up. Everything's working properly.